Hey everybody, this is Dan for GemmyD on Cars. Now I've got a small audience here. We're driving this. This is a 2015 Jaguar F-Type V8S. We got a 5-liter V8 with 495 horsepower, and I'm going to start it up. Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Okay, are you ready? All right, we're going to start it up. Ready? Are you ready for this? Ready? What do you think? That doesn't sound like Mommy's Audi or Daddy's Mazda at all.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna get this thing on the road. So here we go. All right, so we're in the Jag. Now, right away, I'm gonna go in manual mode with the shifter. We're in sport mode just to get the pops and everything. It's the greatest exhaust I've ever driven, and this year has been great for me driving cars. And the only car that sort of sniffs this is the Mustang Shelby, and that's just an equally it's just about as crazy V8, you know, as this car. That car's got us on a little bit of power, but it's just stupid fun. I mean, you buy cars like this for the smile on your face, and this car 1000% does not disappoint. Yeah, I mean that is 1,000 RPMs and it still does the crackles like that. It's crazy. Now, plus the added fun of the Roadster too. I mean, like it's like intoxicating. Yeah, it's fourth gear at 2,500. This is special. This is a special car. This lady's looking. We're gonna give her something. Oh my god. See, I'm not used to driving a car that people look at. Now if you just hold on to the gear. Okay, that's like half throttle. It's crazy. And oh my god. I don't see a downside. I mean, sure, you want to be careful, you know, it's expensive to fix. This guy better not turn. Alright, I got a stop sign too. Alright. You're welcome. So yeah, just to test out the handling a little bit. Now this car is only something like 3,600 pounds, which is light in the grand scheme of things compared to, like, you know, sports sedans, but a little bit heavier on the, you know, sports car side. But it doesn't feel lumbering or heavy at all. The handling feels nice and sharp. See, that's fourth gear, and it still pulls. I'm just trying to be careful. I just love this road so much. German cars like a Mercedes E63 that his neighbor has, they got the sound right, and this car is absolutely the same. It's stock too. I have to keep reminding myself this is from the factory, 100% stock, which is just sick. All right, if we're gonna get on it just a little bit safely, and there's lots of people ahead. Like a 70s, like, come on. Sorry. Yeah, this is the best sounding car I've ever driven, by far. And it's hard this in my life. I need something that is even half of this in my life. Oh my god. I think I got to like $6 grand.
Really?
Yeah. Alright, just to get some pops and cracks. Yeah. Like I said to Sam, I don't need to go on the highway. It's be more fun to experience this car on the back roads where it should be. Yeah, this is what this car is made for. You need back roads. And a couple little longer stretches. Oh my gosh. I will remind you once again, that is a stock exhaust. Like I've tried to like fool myself before into saying like, you know, a 2-liter 4-cylinder, you know, the performance is there, but no, there's no replacement for displacement. I mean, a 5-liter car, a 5-liter motor in a small car like this, forget about it. Yeah, and talking to Sam about, okay, this is the V8S, there's also the V8R and the SVR with more power. You don't need the more power, and he was saying the used prices were way more. I mean, for just a hair, probably just a hair more performance, but a lot more price, not worth it at all. See, that's like half throttle. That's crazy. Oh my god. I'm gonna need a cigarette after this. Yeah, like this is turning me into like an asshole driving, but it's just for the fun. It is like intoxicating. You would need to put it in the manual mode and the sport dynamic mode all the time. This is what being a car guy is about. And I don't blame him. He was looking for 18 months to get the perfect car. This is it. It doesn't get any better than this. Alright, one more little rip. Maybe. Yep. This is a great day. This is a memorable day for the channel, absolutely. Okay, so we've experienced the speed and the pops and the exhaust. Now when I go back on our Kona, I'll just try to test out the handling a little bit more. Not going to push it, but just a little bit, push it 5% more. Snap, crackle, pop. Jeez. Forget about it. See, it's fun to go slower in this car too, just because of the sound. Like you said, you're either going really slow or really fast. Like in between, it's just you're not in that area for too long. 4th gear, you let off the throttle, it pops, it cracks. It's great. Handles very well. It feels very solid, very planted. Yeah, this is where this car needs to be. Alright, so we are back to home base, and you know, what can be said that my smile and my ears did not just experience. This is really, it's the greatest sounding car I've ever driven in my, 20 years of driving cars. It's something special. Jaguar has done this car 1000% correct, and we were saying, like, does the V8R and the SVR sound even better? I mean, you wouldn't need it to sound better, but you would almost think for the premium that you're paying, it would be nice to sound a little better. But this is just a fantastic sports car to own, and Sam did it right in waiting to get the perfect car that he wanted, and just, it's a special car. The performance is there, the sound is just absolutely fantastic, and this is really a memorable car, and this is a car that I will remember, you know, what of all the cars that I've driven this year. And I've driven some pretty cool cars this year. So thanks to Sam for letting me take this car out. This is going to be a good video, so hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.